Apple has had its fair share of blunders before in the past. We all remember Antennagate back during the iPhone 4 era. We all remember Bendgate when the iPhone 6 was literally bending in people's pocket. And then we had the most recent AirPower fiasco. It wasn't as high profile as the other two incidents, but proved that Apple makes mistakes as well and simply could not deliver on its AirPower promise. You see, AirPower was supposed to be this revolutionary wireless charging pad with multiple different coils so that you would be able to place a compatible Apple device and plop it anywhere on the pad to commence charging. The pad was large enough to charge multiple devices as well, not just one. But somewhere along the way, Apple's engineering team ran into several issues, mainly that the unit would overheat to levels considered to be not safe and that would present a potential fire hazard. Well, Apple swung back this year with the closest thing we have to it with this distant cousin of the now debunked AirPower named the Magsafe Charger. It's essentially a jumbo-sized Apple Watch charger that is compatible with any iPhone that is Qi wireless charging capable. This is actually a pretty interesting accessory that I know many of you have questions on, so let's not waste any more time and dive straight into a quick unboxing. Alright, what do we have here? We see our iconic white Apple box for the Magsafe charger that fits in the palm of the hand. We see we have an image of our charging puck on the front with not much action going on the sides, but pay close attention to what Apple has to tell us on the back. This is pretty important just so you're prepared. The Magsafe charger's end is a USB-C type connection, and remember that thing Apple is doing to help the environment? As in not including a charger in the box anymore? So long story short, Apple's finessing yet again. I don't think many people have the 20-watt adapter that is standard in the box with other Apple products such as the iPad Air. Unfortunately, no more chargers on the 2020 iPhone lineup. So effectively, if you don't have that USB-C power adapter, you're looking at a total cost of $60. $39 for the stinking Magsafe charger and $19 for a 20-watt USB-C power adapter. Apple is going to make a killing off of not including the power adapter inside the box. And the more I think about it, the more upset I get. But anyway, we were in the middle of an unboxing, right? So we actually feature our green pull tab. So tear that off, open the box, and slide open the envelope-like holder protecting your new accessory for your brand new iPhone. We do also have some regulatory information and warranty information, but let's be honest, who reads those things? So now, going over to the star of the show, the Magsafe charger is neatly tucked inside, so simply remove it from its packaging and I think we're ready to rock and roll. So I fortunately happen to have the required USB-C wall adapter, so let's just attach it to that, plug it into the wall, and our charger should be ready for action. Please be advised that this new accessory is similar to the existing Qi charging technology that currently exists. So this accessory will work on the iPhone 8 or later, as well as AirPods with the wireless charging case. It won't have that automatic magnetic attachment, nor will you get that super dank animation on any iPhone that isn't the 12 mini, the 12, the 12 Pro, or the 12 Pro Max. Instead, it basically acts like any regular Qi charger. On any iPhone that is not the 12, you'll have to rest it on that sweet spot like you would with any other wireless charger. It attaches magnetically thanks to magnets found inside the chassis of your iPhone, and similar to how your Apple Watch charges through inductive charging, so does your iPhone now. So this could very well be Apple's initial attempt at a portless iPhone. And what do I mean by that? Well, nothing's certain, but there have been rumors for some time now of an iPhone with no lightning port, no ports whatsoever. We've seen Apple remove the headphone jack all in the name of courage, or I think Apple meant, so we can nickel and dime our customers into buying up some of those juicy dongles. It is possible, although I don't see it coming to fruition in the near future. The puck itself appears to be about 2 inches in diameter and easily fits in my palm. The back is an all aluminum matte-like finish, whereas the front has this nice outer ring that appears to have some chamfered edges to create this nice shine you see. I think the effect is quite nice. And the inside is this softer silicone feeling material that cushions the iPhone while charging. Near the actual connection port, we can also see some regulatory information. solution. Attaching it is extremely simple. Just bring the back of your iPhone 12 to the charger and it should easily find its way and magnetically attach to the magnetic ring found inside your iPhone for a perfect and secure fit. Although the charger maintains the same cheat compatibility as other chargers, the magnetic alignment experience only applies to the newest iPhone 12 line. The connection the magnets have is pretty secure and will only really come undone with a slight amount of force, but secure enough so that it won't accidentally come off the charger. Other cheat chargers have struggled with passing through the voltage over to the phone, creating lower frequencies of power transfer, depending on where exactly you place the device. For example, maybe you placed it slightly off the coil on a third-party charger, thus creating an inefficient and thus slower charging experience. Well, you don't have that problem here since the magnets always ensure an exact fit on the newest iPhone 12 lineup. The new charger is compatible with Apple's new array of cases as well for their iPhone 12 line. Each new silicone case and even the clear case for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will feature the same magnets to attach the Magsafe charger with ease. It is most visible on the clear iPhone 12 case, which features this white ring. Stay on the lookout for my official review on all the new iPhone 12 cases. And I'm also super glad that this charger isn't 100% proprietary. It will work through other third-party cases, so long as it is not one of the bulkier cases like say an OtterBox Defender or something. Do they still make those, by the way? I haven't seen anyone rock one of those in a while. But back to the charger. It's a really easy solution to quickly and efficiently charge your iPhone without fiddling for a lightning cable. It's super easy and convenient to just attach the charging puck on the back of the iPhone and lay it down to be charging. But what I consider to be an upside is that unlike a traditional cheat charger, you can still pick up your phone and continue using it like normal without it feeling unnatural. You can achieve this same effect with your typical cheat charger, but it ends up feeling awkward since you're also suspending the cheat charger in place because there are no magnets. In the end, do I think this product is worth it? I'm gonna go with a hard maybe. It totally depends. Listen, I think $40 for this charger is way too excessive. Sure, it's cool, but let's say you don't have the 20-watt USB-C charging brick either, and now you're telling me you're going to drop your hard-earned cash on this accessory when that could easily buy you a nice little PS4 or Xbox game? I don't know, I just feel with so much competition out there in the wireless charging space, it's hard to justify this first-party solution by Apple. It's not terrible, I just feel a $19 price tag would be more appropriate for a stinking charger, but again, let's consider the company we're talking about. But if you do have the money for it and want a simpler first-party solution to wireless charging, my guy, look no further. I can't deny that I prefer wireless charging way more than the standard lightning cable because it's so quick, so convenient, and wireless chargers tend to last much longer than the lightning cables, which seem to have a life expectancy of about 2.5 months after you begin using them. In the end, is this an accessory that is essential to the iPhone experience? No. Far from it. I'm sure plenty of people are compliant with the traditional charging method with the lightning cable. Is it somewhat bougie to magnetically attach this hockey puck looking thing to the back of your iPhone 12 and flex on squad? Absolutely. I'll leave this one up to you guys. It's a hard one to recommend when the lightning cable and the Magsafe charger do the exact same thing. They both charge your phone, albeit with different approaches. I want to know what you guys think though. Have you already picked up a Magsafe charger or thinking of buying one? What do you think about Apple not including any more chargers inside the iPhone box, forcing some to spend even more on a lousy charger that should have been included in the first place? Let me know in the comments below and be ready to see a lot more of me in your subscription feed as I still have a ton of items to review for you all. Until next time guys, stay safe and I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video. Peace out.